as your immune system starts to fight the virus, and a dry cough. That's one where you don't produce any phlegm. The virus can then spread to the lungs, making it harder for people to breathe. Good morning, DFI 1 students. Welcome to class, sort of. I hope you're doing okay. We're doing fine in Troy, and wherever you may be, I hope you're ready to start working on this boutique site. I'm going to try to set this up step by step so you can follow along. You can pause it, rewind. I'm not going to really send you code. I'll certainly show you the code as I code it. But as we build this boutique site, it's going to be 4 or 5 pages in length. We're going to start with the top and go down. And if you remember that template you guys selected, it was a little bit hard and difficult, but we're going to make it work. So look forward to doing this with you. We'll pull it together and see how it goes. And feel free to communicate as often as you wish via email or Canvas. So here is the photograph I took of the sketched template that you guys decided to move forward with for this project. As you can see, it's got a nav bar / header at the top of the logo and then links on the right. We've done this before, so that shouldn't be too difficult. We've got a wrapper that's going around the rest of the content to keep it in place. Then we basically have a content area here with 2 columns in it, which we're going to put 2 divs in here to keep these separate. I may change this structure up just slightly to make it easier for everyone. And then there is another content area here with some links, whether they're circles, ovals, squares, what have you, slider in here, and then we'll have a footer. Okay? So getting started, let's look at our root folder and kind of catch up a little bit. Here's my root folder, and I want to look at the content real quick. And as you can see, you have the same thing. You have the landing page, or you should have a landing page with the index file. We don't call it a landing page, we call it index.html, but it is the landing page. And then we've got our project 2, which was, if you remember, this was our portfolio, mini folio, what have you. And now we are in the project 3 folder. And so make sure everything that you create here, that you're doing it in project 3 folder. Otherwise, things will really get out of, they'll get disconnected and not linked properly. Of course, I've already built a site from the last couple semesters. We're doing it a bit differently. For example, this is how it appeared in the genre, the style that we did it last semester. I showed this in class with some rollovers. And you guys decided to create a template slightly different. However, this first part, interestingly, is exactly the same. It stretches across the entire top, and it's going to work for us. So it's going to be somewhat similar. The content right here is going to be different. Then you guys had the option of having some kind of fancy shaped area here. We talked about it could be a curve in here, or it could be a straight line or a diagonal line. I'll let you guys concern yourself with aesthetics. Now, you guys should already have images in your images folder, because that was an earlier assignment to collect images. Of course, you're going to add to this as you decide, oh, I need a background that looks like this, or I need another image. So we'll add and take away from this as the need arises. So let's get started in Dreamweaver.